Miles of smiles. The weather today absolutely stunning with high temperatures soaring into the 40s. Out to the west where you see the greenish hues, Jamestown, mid 40s, 44 in Sisseton today, and nearly 40 degrees in Fargo. Moorhead, a lot of 30s across Lakes Country, a little cooler up in the Devil's Lake Basin as we did work on melting some of your freshly fallen slush. Beautiful setting sun today as we had an eye from our home of economy location in Grand Forks, North Dakota. Look at that as the clouds building in from the west. A delightful close to windy but delightful afternoon. Right now the wind is only picking up. As we mentioned in the forecast earlier tonight, we'd have gusts increasing toward the 6 o'clock hour. That's what's going on. Upwards of 35 miles per hour right now from the south, and temperatures holding in the mid 30s here in Fargo and Moorhead. 31 in Bemidji at this hour as we take a look off to the west. Valley City at 34, 32 in Langdon, and Sisseton at 38 degrees. Here's a look at some areas where we do have some gusts. You can see the colors highlighting that. Those south winds are kind of ripping through the valley tonight. Now wind and clouds both combine to help keep us from getting too cold too quickly. But look at our clouds that have been moving in and spilling into northwest Minnesota. Radar's starting to pick up a couple of echoes or returns from the central Dakotas. But notice this elongated area of cloud cover here, and the radar not really filling in. So we're not too concerned about heavy precipitation, but these clouds could yield just a few snowflakes as we go through the overnight hours. So again, here are those winds lighting up. Now as we go through the early overnight, the gustiest of the winds will shift off to the east. By daybreak, cloudy skies. I cannot rule out a shower from these clouds, but nothing substantial. Look at these temperatures, near 30 degrees on your way out the door on Friday morning. That's very mild relative to recent weather. Sunshine and increasing sun out to the west. Temperatures warm again, breezy conditions, but not as gusty as they are right now. I am expecting our temperatures to soar back into the 30s. It's late in the day on Friday night when a cold front starts to approach the international border. If you look behind our banner, you see that blue there. Set this into motion. That cool front will start sagging its way south through the region as we go from Friday night into Saturday morning. That means a snow shower here or there that's going to coat the roads with a light layer of slippery. Nothing substantial, and it does mean that north winds will build in for the weekend, cooling us off. So enjoy those 30s, enjoy those 40s for your Friday. And we start out near 30 in Fargo, ramping up through the 30s into the low to mid 40s. Once again, a beautiful day. Wind not as strong as we have right now, but still pretty robust at about 15 to 25 miles per hour from that warm southwesterly direction until late. Then it becomes northerly. 35 degrees tomorrow afternoon at 3 o'clock in Langdon, 38 Thief River Falls, and Detroit Lakes 37 degrees where you see these greenish shades here. 40s in the offing for your Friday. Here's a look at the snowy scene. The boughs on these trees weighted down by the heavy snow in Buxton. Thanks so much for a shot. And upload those to valleynewslive.com. Temperatures will get colder this weekend with hit and miss flakes of snow, nothing too heavy. 3 degrees in Fargo, below zero elsewhere, and then a warming trend as we wave goodbye to this cold month of February and say hello to March and say hello, Mike Morkin, to spring, because we have a full bucket of nice coming on Tuesday, and it gets better and even more better through the week.
Certainly looks mighty fine.
Glad you like it.
All right, thanks.